Hello and welcome to southwest France. We have a smelly problem. This is our fossé tank and it's been smelling over the last couple of days, maybe a week or so. So we have called out a man who lives nearby, and he's going to come and clear it for us. And he's called a honeysucker. But he's coming from Agnon, which is about, 10-15 minutes away. And he's going to come and clear our fossé tank for us, and hopefully it should alleviate the smell, but it's a bit bleh. It's not very nice. So the tractor's here to clear out the fossé. I don't think you can get in at the moment. Chickens are all locked up for the day because they're all pecking around. This is Francis who's helping us today.
Is it doing it right
No, not yet. They can't hear. I don't want to look.
Spray. And the kick.
Thinking about it.
He's thinking about it.
Do you want some of that? Have you got any Vicks?
But it comes out this side, so. But where's it go?
So the guy is what he does. Oh God, this is terrible. He doesn't take any of the fluids from underneath because you need the weight in the fossé. See if I can do it over there. You need the weight in the fossé so that the fossé doesn't float up. So he's just taking the solid. So he's just taking the solid matter from the top. Sounds very comfortable with it. So he's almost finished now. He's just found a corner. I find it a bit too strong for my liking. But he's almost finished, so we should have a nice working fossé now. So we have a nice clean fossé now. No smells, no nasty smells, all nice and clean. That's it, the fossé's all nice and clean for another year. Hopefully we won't have to touch it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, maybe think about subscribing. It's free. And we'll see you on the next video.